If you're a leader, you need others to do well. You can't succeed without this. That means tapping every available tool. Using the placebo effect to your advantage is one. Yet too often, leaders leave it behind. Most know of placebos in medicine. They come in pill form. Placebos have non-medical uses too, such as in leadership. They don't come as pills though. Placebos can take the form of words. They can come in the way things are said. Placebos can even take the form of things. In these forms, they have made golfers golf better. They have made online dates go better. In terms of leadership, the placebo effect has 5 basic elements. Learn to use them in my post, Using the Placebo Effect to Your Advantage in Leadership.